Welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me is ZTE A53 Pro device, and now I'm gonna show you how to improve battery life on this smartphone. Well, firstly, you need to open the control panel and disable all unnecessary services. So firstly, disable auto brightness. Auto brightness, it's not helpful feature, it's consuming the battery power. Disable Bluetooth if you don't need Bluetooth right now. Disable the Wi-Fi if you are using mobile network, or disable the mobile network if you are using the Wi-Fi. Disable location services if you don't need maps right now. Disable nearby share, disable hotspot, and great. Then, of course, you need to reduce the screen brightness because you have LCD screen, and dark mode is useless on this type of screens. So then just open the settings, scroll down, find battery here, and enable power saving mode. Click OK. But if you need more battery performance, so I suggest you enable ultra power saving mode. In this mode you can use only 6 applications, but in this mode your smartphone will live several days during the one charging. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.